Hello everybody, thank you for watching. Welcome again to Woodworking with Dare, where we're not in the wood shop. No, we're in the kitchen. Why are we in the kitchen? Well, when you live with somebody and they ask you to do something, you do it, right? Yeah, you do. So, Das cooks a lot. And she has a drawer where she stores all of her cooking utensils. And it's messy. It's really messy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in an organizer. A simple organizer that we should be able to do super quick. And it'll at least make this drawer a little bit better. You want to see this drawer? Really? Okay, I'll show you the drawer. Okay, here we go. Ah! It's a mess. This isn't even all of it because there's a bunch of dirty dishes. But yeah, this is Das's drawer of stuff. Her pastry cutter, her meat tenderizer. I have no idea what this thing is, but it's a thing she uses for things. But this is her drawer, and it's a mess, and therefore we need to put in a drawer organizer. So what we're going to do is, I actually already laid it out, and then it immediately got covered. Alright, so a little bit of tape to kind of lay out what was going on. So we'll take a board and we're going to go straight back here and we're going to go across. And that'll start to divvy this up. You can see the tape actually. There's another piece of tape right there that's kind of been pulled up, but that's fine. So I have all of the sizes I need.
Hey, are you liking the video? Hit that like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that'd be great too. Leave a comment, helps the channel grow. So do those likes, by the way. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, Patreon is a great way to help us grow the channel, invest in new things like new tools, new games, new adventures. So, if you like the video, hit that like button. Drop us a comment. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Just enjoy.
Okay, what we're actually going to do is we're going to make a frame. So I was just going to kind of fit it in there, but instead I'm just going to make a box frame around it and put these pieces in it. Now, I don't think I have enough wood here. In fact, I'm almost positive I don't, so we're going to have to go get some more. It's not a huge deal. I think I have enough to make the interior, but not the box, or vice versa. Where's my tape measure? Well, that's going to be an issue. Alright, these are 24 inches. I need 25s. So I can't make the front and back, but I can make the sides, which is fine. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17-inch long pieces. I got 4. So I'm going to have to go get some more wood. That's not a big deal. It'll be a jump cut for you. It'll be a half hour, hour for me. Whatever. How are we going to do it? The little baby 4-inch table saw. Got to find my fine cut blade for it, and then we'll see how this thing works, because I've not ever turned it on. Well, we're gonna have to try it with that. Oh, good. Two gloves apart. There we go. Okay, we're gonna have to try it like this, because I don't see a way to get this blade out right now. I'm gonna have to do some research on the internet, figure out how you change the blade on this thing. I know it's been done because this screw is rounding out. I'm actually going to have to replace that. So when I go to get more wood, I'm going to take that screw with me to replace it. Yeah. I was wondering why this is all scratched up. It's because it actually flexes back and forth quite a bit. Actual hit. That's nice. All right, so I need this 17 inches. Everyone ready? All right, cord height. That was louder than I thought it was going to be. It's a nice cut though. Huh. All right, that is 17 inches-ish. All right, and that leaves me with this, which I think, oh nice, that one will be useful in a little bit. Because there's a bunch of shorties that I got to cut too. Just came to a realization as I was marking that 17 inches. Should be 16 and a half. Because I got to make allowance for the frame that's going around it. All right, well, four of our 16 and a half inch pieces. They are indeed about the same height, length, whatever. All right, so I need a 5-inch and a 6-inch. And an unknown, that's great. Awesome, DOS. Okay. That's my scrap. Okay. So that's the pieces that I need for the random. What's the random, you ask? Hopefully you can see this. This right here, right? You'd think there'd be a dimension there. Adjust for wood thickness. Thanks. So I got to build it and then figure out the length of that final piece. So I need to go and get, what do these have? This is one of my scraps. All right, I'll take this. I need to go get more 1/4 inch poplar. I need, what'd I tell you? Editing magic. We got what we need. We got ourselves, that's our scrap. I got some more brad nails. I got the screws for that. And I got a bunch of these, because when I went upstairs to tell DOS I had to go get some more. And she goes, oh hey, I want to do this drawer too, and this one over here. Could have told me. Could have told me. So we're going to cut for the one, and then once we're done with that, then we'll deal with the other ones. I'll do the other ones off screen because you understand what I'm doing now. But unless it's something super interesting. Talk about a diagonal cut. Oh, what's she talking about? What's she talking about a diagonal cut? All right, these things are Phillips instead of flathead, so I'm going to deal with them later. I'm going to use this one. They're actually longer than this, so I'm going to have to cut them anyway. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put this guy back in. There we go. All right, that'd be that. And the man at this hardware store had never heard of a Dremel 4-inch table saw. I don't think anybody's ever heard of it. I don't know where it came from. So much the better for me. I got a unique thing. Now, if we're good here, if we manage good, let's go over here. It's going to be 17 inches from there to there. Hey, it is. Sweet. All right. So we're going to pin the ends so we get the box, and then we'll worry about placement within the box. Ha! Wiggle off there, you'll find the right size. All right. Last thing I want, I hate talking while I have something in my ear. Last thing I want is when I fire the... Where is the other one? There it is. Last thing I want is that when I put the nails in here, that it moves this so much that the nails don't actually, you know, go in there. So, we're going to make sure it goes in there. At least one nail. And we'll worry about the bottom nail after that. No wonder I'm having problems. I'm an idiot. For God's sakes. There we go. Alright, now we're going to see if this is actually 90 degrees. Welding magnets, they are in 90 degrees. And because they're metal, I know that they're true. I don't have to guess. Okay, that is indeed true. Alright. Let's hope this works. If not, we're going to split the crap out of the wood. Now that one didn't go exactly how I planned. Alright. Well, now we know that that's plastic. Kind of knew that anyway. Sort of a goof on the inside there. Okay. Alright, so that gets that. Square-ish. Oh yeah, grommet. Okay, a couple more nails. And we're going to be good on that. That's on the front. Okay. There. Alright, so that's back. That's front because the back has some goofs on it. Now we have to get the middle. Okay, so the first thing she wants is 3 inches in. So, one of these guys. Put it in here. Nope, she wants it from the inside. Really? That's where you want it? 3 inches, huh? Okay, well. Don't question them when they tell you that's how they want it. Just going to say, for anybody out there, when your significant other says, I want it to be 3 inches, don't say, you want what? You're crazy. Just do it. Oh crap. Right, let's put this closer to the edge so we don't have that problem happen again. All right. 3 inches. 3 inches. Okay. Why do I feel like that's crooked? It's not, but it looks it. To my eye, it looks crooked. It's all get out, but... well, mostly clean. Okay. So we're going to measure this side first. And then we'll flip around and we'll do that side up. So we'll do it that way. I think it's going to be easier. Okay, next. 6 inches. That one was perfect. All right, polarity was good. And then she says adjust for wood thickness. Awesome possums. Okay, this is a 6-inch board. It should go right in here, like that. But she wants it 6 inches up from there, so that's good. We know it'll fit. She wants to come 5 inches off of here. Ooh, that was a bit too much one way, but we made it. It can actually poke out, so we're good. And 5 more inches. Okay, that's that side. Flip it around, do the same thing over here. So, now this is where it gets a little bit interesting. I could have probably been smart and fastened this first and then fasten these in here, but I wasn't. So we're going to have to make do. But I think we're going to be okay. Maybe okay. Where's my short ones? Where's my shorties? There they are. I know. Hey, there we go. I'm going to go cheap on this one. Instead of 3 nails, we're doing 2 because that's pretty much all we can manage. Blow that. Nice. All right. There's that one. Okay. And when I flip it over, I'm going to measure again 6 inches because just in case this board is doing this, I can make small minor adjustments. And then she wants 7 inches down. Making sure that the nails are actually coming out of the gun. This gun I have had to fix multiple times to try to make sure the nails always come out because sometimes they just don't. Oh, that is right on the friggin' money. Money! 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 All of it on the money. I couldn't do that again if I tried. Okay. Woo! Alright, so then the last thing that she said was 13 inches up. Thanks a lot. 13 inches up. Most people would measure the other direction, but okay, whatever. 13 inches. She wants something across here. How wide is this, do you think? 4 and 7/32, folks. 4 and 7/32. Wow. All right. Well. Whew, that's when you're getting down to the 30 seconds. Now we're talking like fine cut. This thing still plugged in? Yes, good. Oh, you little. Oh, there we go. Got it. One direction, but not the other. Okay, whatever. There we go. So we got everything that DAS wanted in terms of the look. The only thing we got left to do is to fit it in the drawer itself. I'm going to do that, and then I'll take a shot of it in the drawer before she fills it full of stuff. I'm going to probably hit it with the sander really quick, just hand sand it, but I'm not going to mechanically sand it. So you don't want to watch that, it's boring. So we'll come back when it's in the drawer.
So installation didn't go nearly as well as I would have liked. Turns out the drawer wasn't square. Who knew? Who knew? I had bet everything that the drawer was square. So I had to take apart several pieces, most of the frame actually. I also I'd not compensated for the screws that hold the faceplate onto the drawer. So I had to basically take the box, the surrounding box off, and then I gave up trying to do anything else, and I just took the whole drawer and nailed the divider into the drawer. So it fit barely. I had to use a hammer to kind of hammer part of it in. I was going to take a video and show it to you, but before I had a chance to do that, Das filled it with stuff, and she liked it because she gave it the thumbs up. So great. There you go. Built the drawer. It only took, about an hour, give or take. A lot of it was faffing around doing other things. But there you go. Quick drawer divider. I've already built another one for her bakery drawer, which required some 45-degree cuts, but it was simple enough, and I just nailed that sucker into the drawer. I took the entire drawer out in the shop and did it in about a half hour. There you go. Thank you for joining me on this Woodworking with Dare, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, great. If you didn't, well, I don't know what to tell you. Till next time, take care, everybody.